Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use split screen or multitasking in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to use split screen or do multitasking, so let's see how can you do that. So very first you have to try to open your settings there, go for general and try to update your software. So after that you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. So you have to open your app store here and you have to simply search for split screen here. Once you search, you have to install this app on your phone. Once you have installed, just tap on open to open the app here. Now you just have to allow some permissions, and once you have allowed, you can easily use split screen here. You can see I'm going to use Google on the first screen and YouTube on the second screen. So in this way you can use more screens or more apps at the same time which you want. So now I'm going to switch my app. So in this way you can easily use split screen or you can easily use dual window or multitasking on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.